This is an iPad. No worries. Oh, good spot.
He's got quite the tongue over there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. It like curls up.
Does that feel better?
You gain so much more muscle during massages.
Oh. He's very expressive, huh?
He's got a very good swing here, though.
Yeah, he can adduct. All right. So you're gonna go someplace else for a minute, yes?
I'm going to move a little forward.
All
I've
right.
got another lump up here, too, that I've been trying to kind of work. I know.
And he's like, no, not there either.
Very sore there. Very sore
I feel
there.
like he's trying to be a ballerina right now.
I know it's sore there.
He's very polite.
He tells me. He tells me. Okay, I won't touch there.
How about his masseter? Is that a safe place to go? Yeah, better.
Look at his eyes. Oh,
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
his foot's caught. I realized
Oops, sorry, that was my fault.
massaging